Hello, I am Fanny and welcome to my YouTube channel. So my channel is all about skincare, hair care and beauty. If this is something that interests you, welcome. You have come to the right place. Please consider subscribing by clicking the subscription box below so that you can keep up to date with my tips and guides to a more beautiful you. Well, let's go straight on how to use Cerave Moisturising Cream. So, are you looking for a cream for a very dry skin which will give your skin an instant dose of hydration? Well, Cerave Moisturising Cream is here to serve you well. And do you know how to use it well? Well, watch till the end of this video to find out some amazing properties of this moisturizing cream. So first of all, before putting any cream on your face, you want to make sure your skin is clean. So I'm going to use Cevare Foaming cleanser to cleanse my face. Always remember to clean your hands before starting the process. So I've just cleaned my hands. Then I'm going to take Cerave Foaming cleanser, put it in my hands and lather it around my hands. Then I'm gently going to massage it on on the wet face. So I'm massaging it on my face. So I'm just using my hands because my face is just literally not that dirty. I've just woken up from sleep, but you can always use a cloth to clean your face with if you had makeup on during the day. Then I'm going to gently pat dry my skin. Then this is how my skin looks like. It's it's clean, and now I'm just going to go straight on how to apply this moisturizing cream. So this is Cerave Moisturising Cream, and it's for dry to very dry skin type. So I'm just going to take a little with my hands. So first of all, I'm going to read the directions on how to use this product. Always make sure you read the direction on how to use the product before you put it on your skin. So I'm going to take my hands are clean, and I'm going to take a little bit of this cream and put it on my face. So on the direction of use on their website, it is said the cream is to be used daily, and also the cream is non-comedogenic, meaning it resists clogging the pores as it treats the skin to its ultra conditioning advantages. So it also encourages supplies and comfortable results with every use. And also the cream is suitable for use on both the face and the body, and it is fragrance free. So this is a very good cream. It doesn't have any smell. So I'm just applying it on my face. I'm just adding another layer, and I can feel my skin feeling very moisturized. I think I'm going to try also this cream on my body and see how it's going to be on my body, because I have a very dry skin on my body. And also it's so big, so my skin, I needed to add more just to make sure. So this is how my skin looks like and feel like. It's so moisturized. You can actually see it. It's very nice. So for this cream to work so well on your skin, you want to make sure you follow it with a sunscreen if it is during the day, so that you get the good benefits of it. So that's how to use this product. So let's see some of its good properties. So first of all, this product is silky. It has a silky formula which is enhanced with 3 essential ceramides. So what are ceramides? Ceramides are fats and lipids that are found in our skin, and they are very important in retaining your skin moisture and preventing the entry of germs into your skin. So you have a very good protective layer, and also the cleanser I used also has ceramide, so it goes a long way. And also this product is ideal for dry to very dry skin type, and also it is a powerhouse moisturizer, and also designed to squinch complexions with an instant dose of hydration. And also this product contains hyaluronic acid, which is known for its hydrating benefits, which also helps to lock in a layer of moisture. So this is how to use Cerave Moisturising Cream. Go and try it on yourself and let me know how it goes with your skin. And you can come and give me a feedback on the comment section. And yes, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you would like me to do other videos like this. Thank you very much. Till next time, bye bye.